This is the absolute game changer for every parent, every educator, every child, and every content creator out there. If you work with kids as much as I do, then you already know most kids don't like to study. And the ones that do eventually get tired. But there's one thing they never seem to get tired of, and that's playing games. Because games are fun, engaging, and challenging. And that's exactly what makes them powerful learning tools. Now, here's the exciting part. Canva AI has done all the heavy lifting. All you need to do is take action for yourself or for your kids. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how I design a fun and interactive game-based study website using Canva AI. It is fully customizable, it can be updated whenever you like, and it could become one of the most effective learning tools in your child's learning journey. While this tutorial is focused on helping kids learn better through games, it can be used by anybody. So if you are a teacher, a creative mom, or a creative dad, or just a big sister, big brother trying to help your kid or your nephew or your niece study better, this tutorial is for you. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it is your support that keeps this page going. Let's get into the tutorial. The first thing you want to do is go to canva.com, where you can see your designs, templates, and Canva AI. Click on Canva AI, then write in your prompt. Canva AI is a new development to the old Canva platform, and it is such a easy and beautiful tool to use. So write your prompt. As you can see my prompt, I'm writing that I want to create an interactive game. It's a really long prompt because I am trying to be as clear as possible about what I need it to give me. I stated my child's class, age, the subject, basically everything I wanted to do. I wanted to give like a peekaboo style if the child gets the answer correctly, and give a try again if the child misses a question. Also told it I want a scoreboard. So basically just tell it everything you want in the terms you understand. After you have done that, to make this easier for you, I will put a draft template in the description of this video so you can click on it and follow the same pattern. When you are done with this, click on submit. And you don't have to worry about having the best template at the first instance or the first version. You can always update what you want. Now we have pasted our template in and our script basically, and you can see Canva AI at work giving us the code to use. This will go on for a while because it has to take into consideration everything, basically every instruction I've given to it. And now when that is done, you can see our game design looking all pretty. Click on Start Adventure. If you don't want it to be Start Adventure, you can change it to something else. But from what you can see here, it seems a bit bland. I feel like this is fine for adults who want to just play a game or do a quiz. But for kids, we want to make it a bit more interactive, a bit more fun with some animations and color. So, but first off, let's just see what we have done so far. You can see the confetti when you get a question right, and you can also see what happens when you get a question wrong. At the end of the game, you can see it calling me a science master, saying I've earned 5 out of 5, asking me to enter my name and save my results. You can make it differently depending on what you want, but this is based on the script I gave to Canva AI. But right now, I'm going to go back into my description because I want this game to be more interactive and more fun for kids or young people. So I'm just going to go in and type, I want this to be more interactive and fun for kids. Maybe add more colors, elements, animations just to make it more interactive and fun for kids. Then I click the purple arrow on the bottom right, and then you see Canva AI go into action, then it produces more code, and it comes back with an updated design like this. You can see this new design, the colors have changed. There's a little bit of animation in it coming up. And when you click the main design itself to start adventure, you see that instead of the typical white and black, it has changed to blue, green, and pink. So just to make it more fun and colorful. If you're still not okay with this, you can always go back into the chat as many times as possible to give an updated description of what you. I had to fast forward the process a bit, but here it is. You save results. And now let us make this into an actual design. So click use in design because we would like to publish it as a website. So click on use in a design. When you click on using a design, it brings you into the Canva workspace, and then you can double tap in the Canva sheet to play the game. But we're not playing the game in this sheet. We want to publish it as a website so we can always share the link with anybody at any time. So I'm just going to click on share on the right hand corner at the very top. Click on share. Click on share, then go all the way down to website. When you click on website, and you don't have to have a website address or URL, go to click on resize on mobile so your kids or whoever can play it either on mobile or on a desktop system. Now scroll all the way down to use a custom domain, or you can just enter your website URL. But if you don't have, just click on use a custom domain. As you can see, you can either bring your own domain, but if you don't have it, it's fine. Or you can buy a new domain from Canva. You don't need to. Or you can claim a free domain. You can claim a free Canva domain, and that's the one we're using for the purpose of this tutorial. It's free, so just click on it, click claim a free domain, and continue. Now you can type in the name of anything you want it to be. I'm going to use something like school, but you can type or John's play quiz domain name or something, just whatever works for you. Now claim free domain. You can publish up to 5 designs on your Canva branded domain. So, and you can always unpublish and republish, so you can use it as many times as possible. So click on use this domain and get to work. Now we're going to get a website URL that can be shared with anybody. So we're going to click on publish. Once you publish, you see a link come up, and that will be your shareable link. So you can either copy that link or you can go straight to view your website. Yay! And our website is done and ready. Try playing out this game. Next question, play the game all through. And it works exactly like it did when we were in the Canva AI chat. Enter your name, submit results. You can start again. It's just so much fun to play around. You can give it more questions. You can update your chat, or you can copy the link and share with, if you're a teacher, for example, you can copy the link and share with your students to play around or play with. And you can also use it on mobile. You can use it on desktop. You can use it on your tab. If for any reason you want to adjust the chat or the design version, just go back into the chat, change and update stuff, then go back to republish your design. It is very, very easy and very, very straightforward. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section and I'll get it right away. And that is our design. That is how to make learning more fun for your kids using AI. There's so many other people that can take advantage of this AI tool, whether you're a business owner, a small company, organization, you can take advantage of this. Canva is constantly improving on their designs. So even though there are still a few limitations here, it is still very useful, and we can hope to see more improvements to this current design and current tool. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please follow for more. Thank you.